begin, sit in one of the meditative postures and close your eyes. Assume the Vishnu Mudra with your right hand. Now close your right nostril with your right thumb, keeping the other fingers in the Vishnu Mudra. Inhale through your left nostril. Then close your left nostril with your right ring finger. Take your right thumb off your right nostril. Exhale through your right nostril. Keeping your left nostril closed, breathe in through your right nostril. Now close your right nostril with your right thumb. Open your left nostril and exhale through it. Do this exercise 4 to 8 times, breathing alternatively through each nostril.